Hi everyone. I recorded video before for the heater Dreo. For this heater Dreo, I forgot compare, but I don't have a time for compare all. But when you would like, you can check video before. I put link in the end of the video for the Dreo, and you can look my old, very old Lasko heater. What kind of different, what kind of has a positive without Dreo new. This is that one heater, almost, this is brand Lasko, this is both from China, but that one Lasko, Dreo it's new, Dreo Lasko it's a old brand, safety brand, 100%, because that one Lasko we are used every season, minimum 3-4 months. And like over 10 years, no problem, safety, working, no fire, no nothing. And economy, number one, economy for wattage, economy for pay bill. Dreo is not economy. I explain you why. Not for example, this is, no sorry, this is heater don't have a eco mode. What kind of people say eco but don't understand. I explain what kind of eco. It's good, no good. This is have a 50% positive, 50% negative. That one piece don't have eco mode, but working. Look, now wattage charge, it's a negative. It's a, when turn on, charge 1 watt all the time when it stay on. When it stay on, but not working. Look, barum, it's a wattage barum. It's a watt. You see, watt. 1 watt. Charge all the time, 10 hours, 10 watt. It's no good. Dreo don't charge. This is it's a positive for Dreo. Now we are turn on this heater. Look how many it's a, and probably high, probably high. Look, 400, 500 watt. I didn't see nothing. 550, 570, almost 600 watt. 600 watt now charge per hour. 625, 629, 632, 636, 640. Up to 700, up to 700 watt per hour. This is maximum what kind of this heater charge. I put up to 85. This has a positive. For example, that one heater show me what kind of I put temperature after blink and show me what kind of temperature in room. Dreo next negative don't have a don't show me what kind of temperature in room. It's new, expensive, is not cheap heater, but don't have this option. This heater has over 10 years. This is positive. Second, this is how much now charge? 663 watt per hour. It's a maximum heat. And give us, I have a tool, we turn on light, more light here, okay, this one, now stay here, it's blinking when it's video, I'm sorry, it's not LED, I have a tool, and this is Celsius, need change, sorry, one moment, change the Fahrenheit, yes, I change it, yes. Probably I'll change distance like this first. You see the red light, ladder light on the wall. It's in room 78, and we are now put this one on the here. Lasko give us 130 Fahrenheit. 140 Fahrenheit, 141, 141, 135. This is maximum what kind of can Lasko give for us. And charge for that one 666 watt per hour. When we are put Lasko low, now it's low. You see, for example, this is have two option only, high and low. When we are put low, Lasko charge only 250 watt. It's very good economy heater, super best. And temperature now in room, in the wall 78, and the minimum heat Lasko, oops, right here, send for us 100 Fahrenheit. And this is heater has a 10 years old, over 10 years old, working great. Well, negative, it's a more noise than new Dreo. Different sizes, more tall, more bigger. Don't have a eco mode, but for me don't care. This is eco mode. For me it's a stupid danger fire danger mode for home, not for peace, for home power electrical line, because I don't know what kind of electrical line involved. Strong, non-strong, very old. My home very old. It's over 30 years, more over 30 or over 40, like that, between 35 to 45 years. And this is Lasko working. We are put temperature. Now I put more because it's hot outside. And working no problem. I have a remote, but I don't have a battery for this remote, but have remote. And have this Lasko have a timer. Have a timer. Look, this is 10 years. One moment. Have a timer. How many hours? What is this timer? Timer change here, sorry. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 hours. This is Dreo has a 12, this is 8 hours. 8 hours enough. Has a very old piece, but working. Look. Dun, 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 dun. Very old piece. It's not touch because 10 years ago don't know touch pieces, only big cheaper, and has a remote too, has a turnable, has a timer, has a two different. You see, this is it's a like now it's a name Eco. This is auto mode. It's a different because this is Eco. It's a first start. Almost Dreo start almost 2000 watt. After that go down. That one it's an all type. Have all the time charge 600, almost 700 watt. But as automatic temperature, when have a 75 in room, automatically turn off and wait when it's temperature down. Dreo, that one don't have this option, have only eco mode. For me, more better that one mode. Or when Dreo install it or reprogramming, this is heater, it's a next time more better. But when don't have this option, is not very well. That one option for me more better and more safety. For example, I can leave it at night. I don't scared for fire in home because only 700 and working automatically. At that one, no, when it's too cold, this is automatically jumping up, charge wattage. If this is economy, it's a 50-50. People have a commercial step. It's a best. Where is you tested this best? Where? When it's small room, closed, nobody open door, nobody window, good insulation room, it's probably Dreo, it's good. When it's not very well insulation, window has an air leak, door has an air leak, people go out, in Dreo change eco mode, up, down, up, down, up, down. And this is, I don't know, this is economy mode or no. But for a fire danger in home or apartment, yes. Dreo need fix it for more safety. Thank you. Maybe Dreo Engineering listening to me. Thank you very much. This is not the commercial information for the name Lasko, because it's my Lasko. I buy this Dreo. Nobody sent to me. I'm not YouTuber. I'm regular person who buy because I would like new type, because that one for me a little bit more too much noise only, because Dreo send information for very low noise. It's real. This is positive for me. It's a real low noise. Negative, danger for fire in home when used eco mode. Thank you very much everyone who liked this video. Put your finger up. When don't like, put your finger down. When like, write review, because one finger up or down and write review, more people can watching real information for real wattage for all type Lasko, what kind of over 10 years, and the new, brand new, because this Dreo I only buy like couple days ago. Amazon sent me and tested, and now I recorded video for the Dreo. Link I put on the top right side in end of the video. You can click and look for Dreo. You can compare what kind of positive, what kind of negative, what kind of real wattage, what kind of danger, and. Thank you very much everyone. Have a good day. Nice humor, nice life. Goodbye.